The regional committees of Assam and Meghalaya on border issues today conducted a joint inspection of a few villages which included Patgaon, Jimimor Gaon, Baklapara and Linkhung villages in Ribhoi district in the process of talks to resolve the border dispute between the two states. In this inspection, Meghalaya, led by Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tingsong, also had Dasakya Taba Lamare, Minister in the state government, MLA of Jirang Sosthena Sotun and MLA of Nongpo Merylbon Same, besides the Deputy Commissioner Shrimati R.M. Kurba as its representative, while Assam was represented by MLAs and senior government officials and led by Piyush Hazarika, Minister in the Assam government. In the inspection of these areas, the regional committees had also invited the residents of the villages to hear their will if they wanted to be part of Assam or Meghalaya, in which it was witnessed that most expressed their will to be part of Meghalaya, while there were also others who could not give a decision right away, as some stay in the part under Assam while their farmland and work area falls in Meghalaya. After the inspection of these areas, Prestone Tingsong said that this is the last inspection of the committees and both the committees will start to prepare the report derived from facts and wishes of the people, and the report will be submitted to the respective chief ministers before the 30th of this month, and after the submission of reports, the chief ministers of the two states will meet again to deliberate and do the needful.
Kahimana spung kladon kane kajaka kade kajongi jaka kade jongi na do kisnam khandai spaar batter ter hadu mentang na sensiar ben na kahimana spung jongi acting chief lanels em jong kahimana spung tenamar kata nga kwa bane thuy phi ka asam mata kawan ban snai ki project ki development hang nero ka jusiem ya ka NOC na kahima jongi tenga kwa ban sai ki ba jongi hang ne ba kane kajaka kade jongi pada ke Assam ro kejuan Bansnai Development kum hawas na barja kharway u MLA jong ka Assam wan siem NOC na u em rang ba jongi ba pita raja Simyong bat kum juro haus na barja khan reu ka Assam kamur Bansnai kini surok tiam ji swai ha kini ki jaka ha ban siem NOC na khai ma jongi ta na ta daw na skwa ban thu phi kini ki member hne ki badam hne ngi de ban sa ba po ka Meghalaya Badro, lada don kibriu jongi ki bakwa ban len no Assam, ila ban lek tang ba ka jaka ka debi ka jongi, bat ni dak sensiar ben mangi hadu bentam ne.
It asked what from the kingship have explained from the Assam government if they construct any development like road, they are asking permission from the kingship of Nongspung. That is very true, and we have also the proof in documents. And here in the border areas, we have many schools, UP schools of 7, LP schools of 6, that is under SSA, government's LP school of 5 under Meghalaya government, and we have many teachers which the government of Meghalaya is taking care of. And the people of border, they are equally treated as the people of the state of Meghalaya. Even though we are border with Assam, but still, government of Meghalaya is doing so much work here. We have this combined water scheme, Baklapara, which we are going to inaugurate, and the people out here, they know very well. And we have many road projects and other developmental works, including the MNRGA and including from the SRWP and from the KHADC. So, as we have seen that people, we have interacted and we have seen that not only now, but from before also, many people, they like and they are very thankful to the government of Meghalaya, because the government of Meghalaya is equally treated to the people of border without counting that they are from which tribe.
Kabangingin ong bangisim mangi karay. Den repi don kami bangin yo I katokan ni ka eka sentiment ka eka jiks nga ujongki nong shong shdong hakini ki jaka. Tinaka da ngopi ngip masi banlep bangipej atat ka ai kamon ki babun ki bala tin rei komo pi ki babu di ki jaka ilong undecisive la sutu bai ki priang ni ki ong bangi don chan ni Meghala ro ka biang ni don cha Assam ro ka biang ni kada ko long nomor ba ya ka property ka bagi don ya ka jaka ka puta ka bagi don nomor ka system hangi hapo Meghala ka long ngidon ki sim ngidon ki hima nang tangi hir sapo segirat hir segisnong de ngangit skem ba ngi follow ya kata sistem ka bejule nadu mensua hadu kini kiski kita menta nak da ko mopi nak liang jog regional committee ngim sim kai karai tu den rei ka bangin su submit ki ya report segini ki ar ngut ki chief minister akaba hakaba khadu maki kin sasim ya karai ka ba khadu
ya ba ide bagi kot Islam
jeng besar ko dia kata ngau bi ngi ke company ngin besar menia iki kot Islam la de kila don jaka che Meghala kamut kan nek kom tai nomor bable yu ngau pi la de kila don jaka kamut kila pendep ye proses prokoj ke sistem ko makalong lem ta kum nuk yo jaka Meghala ke yo jaka Meghala kamut de lembak sim de lembak ka lembak iklan kala menong ka rigraj kala menong kerikur kala menong presim lem ta kum nuk kin yo jaka de ya kata ngau pi sedit naman ngi kren suamenta ya kan ke isu ke boundary ke badon ki differences bandon pedeng joki ki bekwa ban lecha sha Assam don pedeng ki bekwa ban wan cha Meghala tengah try kata ke isu ke bak made re kalan isu ngong pingi hap ban ya thik kat kum ka lantin yo system ke bang ngi don hang ne po betul conclude our inspection. So this is the last point where we visited the place. Mr. Hazarika, who represents the government of Meghala, as well as my colleague, myself from Meghala. We are here together with Mr. Hazarika, with his team, with his officers. And this again, I just wanted to remind all of you, this situation that we reach in this place, it is just because of both the Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We wanted to resolve the issue of boundary in few places, and today is the last day for us where we visited these differences where we already had. So now I'm telling you, from the regional committee, both of us, we will prepare a report based on the facts, based on the sentiment of the people. We will send the report within 30th of this month to our respective chief ministers. From Assam, Mr. Hazarika, he'll submit it to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and then for Meghalaya, we will submit it to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and thereafter there will be again a joint meeting between Chief Ministers, and they will take a call accordingly to this. So once again, I'm so thankful to the villagers. They were so cooperative with all of us. We have seen, especially today, 3-4 places we visited, and they spent their time, and then they really cooperate with us. They have shown their own sentiments. As I said to you, ultimately, we hope both the chief ministers will take a correct decision, the right one, which both sides will be benefited and also will be happy to all section of people and all the interests of the citizens of both the state, Meghalaya and Assam.